Hello students, in this video we learn how to construct 22.5 degrees or 22.5 degrees. For that, first we will have to construct a 90 degrees angle followed by an angle bisector of 90 degrees will give us 45 degrees. Once we have constructed 45 degrees, we will have to construct an angle bisector of 45 degrees. So that will give us half angle of the 45 degrees. Half of 45 degrees is 22.5. So let's begin first by constructing 90 degrees as we have done in the previous videos. So we construct a line first to begin with. Now that we have constructed a line, let's mark the endpoints. We'll mark this as B and this point we'll mark it as A. Our next step is to draw an arc using A as the center. Now using the same measurement and using this point as our center where this arc cuts this line, we will draw another arc. Here, mark this point where this arc intersects the other arc. Use that as a center and the same measurement and cut another arc on this big arc. Like this. Now that we have cut the other arc, let's mark the point where the two arcs intersect. And now we'll use both these centers to draw two more arcs which should intersect each other. Here and from here. And the point where it intersects each other, we mark that point. And we join that to A so that we get our perpendicular this way. Now that we have got our perpendicular, which is 90 degrees, we need to get 45 degrees by drawing an angle bisector to 90 degrees. So for that, we measure this arc using compass from this point till here. Okay, you see, till here. And we use this as our center. We draw another arc this way and use this as the other center with the same measurement and draw another arc in such a way that it cuts the arc that we have just constructed this way. Mark the point where the two arcs intersect and join that point to A. This way. Okay, so that gives us this angle will now be 45 degrees. Now in order to draw 22.5 degrees, we'll have to draw an angle bisector to 45 degrees. So for that, we measure this arc from this point till here. The process is similar to the one that we use to draw 45 degrees from 90 degrees. Okay, so I measure it till here. Okay, and I construct an arc this way, and I use this as the other center. Okay, and I draw the arc in such a way that it cuts the first arc this way, and the point where the two intersect, wherever they intersect, mark that point and join that point to A this way. And now the new angle that is formed here is 22.5 or 22.5 degrees or 22.5 degrees. And we can mark this. We have marked A and B, so we can mark as C, D and E. So angle, you can write over here, angle CAB is equal to 90 degrees. Then you have angle DAB equal to 45 degrees, DAB, CAB, and angle EAB equal to 22.5 degrees. That's how you draw 22.5 degrees. You have to first construct 90 degrees. Once you construct 90 degrees or perpendicular, then you have to draw an angle bisector to 90 degrees, that is 45 degrees. Once you get 45 degrees, you have to construct 22.5 degrees by constructing an angle bisector to 45 degrees. And that's how we get 22.5 degrees. Thank you for watching.